You searched how to buy shares of SGRY Partners, Inc., so this short guide will walk you through the steps. SGRY Partners, Inc. operates surgical and outpatient facilities in the United States and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SGRY. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, normally by uploading a valid ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SGRY to locate the SGRY Partners, Inc. listing and confirm the correct match on the results page. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, checking the listing details to ensure it is the correct stock. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and then confirm to execute the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled according to the chosen order type. If you do not have sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade completes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.